Alina Z, and today we're making cauliflower and leek puree. It's a fabulous way to get the comfort food in without extra carbohydrates that people might get from potatoes. And it's fantastic food for your liver, which supports your thyroid, which supports your metabolism, which is fabulous for weight loss. So this is a 3-step process. First, I steam some cauliflower. Now I'm going to chop up a leek, a half a leek, and we're going to chop up a half of a garlic. And both of these vegetables are fantastic for your liver, like I said, so make sure you're getting plenty of them. And they're great cooked, so you don't have very strong taste in them. And you can keep these pieces as small or as big as you'd like, because step number 3 will be blending everything in a fabulous puree. So now that I cut these, we're going to saute them with about a tablespoon of olive oil. So we want to make sure that the garlic and the leeks get a little bit of translucency in them. We want to caramelize them and get the sugar out, so it will get a really nice flavor for our puree. Now for step 3 of our cauliflower and leek puree, we're going to mix everything together in a blender with a vegan sour cream that is easier to make than you can even imagine. So we're going to begin with putting our sauteed cauliflower in a high-power blender. And I used about a half a head of cauliflower. You can do more, but try to do about a half a head at a time. We're going to add our leeks and sauteed garlic for the flavor. And then to create the vegan sour cream, all you need is a half a cup of cashews. And I soaked them in some water to make them a little bit softer. We're going to put about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to put a half a tablespoon of lemon juice. And that will give it a little bit of the zing that you get when you have sour cream. And we're turning it on. I love this blender for the plunger. And you can enjoy this puree either as a side dish or as a snack. And accessorize it with some fresh herbs. We're going to have a little bit of this parsley to make it look pretty and festive. Let me try it. It's really good. Really, really good. So try it out for yourself and enjoy.